Welcome to the channel Auto Trend. Today, we're imagining an incredible what-if scenario. What if Chevrolet had unveiled a Corvette C9 all the way back in 1968, while the Corvette lineup was still in its early generations at the time? Picturing a futuristic C9 in the late '60s is an exciting thought for any car enthusiast. In 1968, the Corvette C3 had just made its debut with its sleek, aggressive design inspired by concept cars. But imagine if Chevrolet had pushed even further and introduced a C9, a cutting-edge, high-performance sports car decades ahead of its time. It could have featured a mid-engine layout, advanced aerodynamics, and a powerful big block V8 producing over 500 horsepower, making it a true supercar before the term was even popular. Stylistically, the Corvette C9 of 1968 would have been revolutionary, possibly borrowing design cues from jet fighters, with sharper lines, futuristic headlights, and lightweight materials. Inside, it could have introduced digital displays and racing-inspired bucket seats, blending luxury with track-ready performance. While the Corvette C9 wouldn't become reality until the modern era, dreaming of what it could have been in 1968 reminds us of Chevrolet's innovation and relentless pursuit of speed. The Corvette has always been about pushing boundaries, and imagining a futuristic model in the muscle car era is an exciting way to celebrate its legacy. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing automotive history and trends. What do you think a 1968 Corvette C9 would have looked like? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.